Okay, so Instagram sucks, and I've felt this way for a long time. I just don't really get it. There's a ton of ads and content that blends into each other that's clearly not made for me. It's what people think that I want to see, and it feels like one post just kind of drags into the next. You're mindlessly scrolling, and time is in short supply, so if I'm gonna spend my time doing something, it should be on something that I like. So Vero is the app that Instagram is supposed to be, I think. It's a place where you can go and post your photos, your passion, and not have a bunch of outside garbage that means nothing to you, yet anyways. So this is a really cool app that is more about the creator, creating a community, sharing, and looking for people and artwork that inspires you. And it just feels, looks, and is just much better for me. And right now it's in its early stages, of course, so things could change, but right now there's no ads, there's no mumbo jumbo that's recommended to you that is meaningless. It's easy to use, it's intuitive, and it has a ton of features that creators like me are really gonna be able to take advantage of. Now, I love connecting with my audience and with artists that inspire me, and to be able to quickly just jump on and see what they're doing is just phenomenal. It's a great layout, it's got great options, and you should definitely check it out. So if you don't have the app yet, or maybe you do, my handle's down in the description so you can check out my work and what I've been doing, and I'd love to see what you've been doing too. So a few things to note about Vero that is just awesome compared to something like Instagram. Well, one, they don't compress your photos a ton, and you don't have to just use the 1:1 aspect ratio, which I despise. You have the option to view full landscape photos with very little compression, and that is phenomenal. I love that. That should be a no-brainer. It's also not just for photos. You can throw videos on there and link to things that you're interested, and use outside or external links. You can, of course, jump from one platform to another like YouTube, and that's phenomenal. Why are we limited and only allowed to post certain things on a platform to make you stay there? Well, that just doesn't really fit with what's going on these days. I want to be where I want to be, and I don't like limitations. Another really cool thing about Vero is that you can choose who sees your content if you want to just share it with close friends, with acquaintances, or with the world in its entirety. And that's amazing. You don't have to go through and make different content for different audiences. You can do it in just a click as you're posting your content, which is amazing if you ask me. The look and the feel of the app is really nice. You can customize your own profile and what you want people to see. And right now anyways, it's more of a dark version, so it's not as hard on the eyes, not really harsh, and I do enjoy the overall feel of it. Now, like I said, one of the awesome things about Vero is that they don't have any ads popping up, which is fantastic. You will be able to sell products on there, which they'll take a single-digit percentage of in the future, but as it stands, there's no crazy annoying stuff popping up, and that's a big one for me. I don't want to be bombarded with ads 24/7, and every third post you're scrolling through is an ad. I'm not into it. You can also use it on a desktop, on an iPad, or of course on your regular phone, which is really nice. I hate being restricted to just my phone. I don't always want to be on my phone. In fact, most of the time I prefer to be on my desktop where I can just take a step back and see things, not just like this all the time. Anyways, that's my personal preference, so the option is there. So if you're like me, or maybe you have glasses or don't like to stare at a tiny screen, know that there is the awesome desktop version. So for now anyways, check out Vero, which is a great way to connect with like-minded creators, photographers, and people to share our passions together, to grow community, to become inspired. And that's it, guys. That's a fantastic place. So join me on there, download it if you haven't already, check it out. You don't have to spend a million hours on it, and don't make an app or a social media presence your worth. That's ridiculous, guys. There's just so much more to life. This is just a great way to become inspired and to just do what you love. And that's why I like it, and I'm checking it out, guys. I'm gonna be posting a little bit more on Vero, and just as a photography challenge, I challenge you, get out there and try and post even a couple times a week so I can see what you're doing, so hopefully you can inspire me. And that's it, guys. Let's leave it at that. Thanks so much for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts on the app and my channel too down in the description. Let me know what you like and what you don't like. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.